You've probably witnessed these digital avatars sweeping the internet and dominating the AI industry. Faceless channels have tapped into this trend, generating content and reaping the rewards on YouTube. And guess what? These channels are eligible for monetization, making them an attractive choice for creators. Countless favorites have hopped on board, gaining massive popularity with their AI-generated videos. We're talking hundreds of thousands, even millions of views per video. They've gone viral, baby. Now, take a peek at these channels, similar to, well, you know the ones. Prepare to increase brand awareness like never before. Brace yourself, because this aggressive approach is about to launch you to the top. Buckle up and get ready to dominate. Anywhere you are, whatever your age, get ready to conquer. But before we explore all the amazing features, do me a favor. Click subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss valuable content in the future. All right, let's dive into the video. Step 1. Head over to Google, type Adobe Express, click enter, click the first link, and log into the website. You need to have an account to use it, so quickly make one using your Gmail. If you are new to this website, check out all the features it has to offer. Click on Get Adobe Express for free. Its interface looks something like this. You can scroll around the website to see what you can do with it. For the video, I want to generate some characters for my channel. So to generate the characters, click on the text to image. It will take a few seconds to open. Its interface looks somehow similar to Canva if you are familiar with it. Don't get confused if you are using it for the first time. You are free to experiment with it. I myself is my first time using this text-to-image features on Adobe Express. You can select the ratio of the screen for your image, which you're looking to generate it. For me, it's 16:9 ratio, which is perfect for my video. Now let's start typing your prompt. If you need my character prompt, I will leave on the description. You can copy and paste and use it. Wait a few seconds. It will generate your character based on your prompt. Select the one you like the most or suit your video. You can also select different style of art. You can also generate more character by clicking on Generate. You can also add more prompt to your character if you don't like the result. If you are happy with the result, select the one and download it. The Adobe Express free version has a limit. You will not be able to generate more characters if your free credit is finished. For the next step, we are going to use another website to generate more character and make our character speak whatever we want, as you have seen in the beginning of the video. Type Artflow, click the first link. You can see its interface, scroll down, and see for yourself what kind of character you can generate with this AI. First, let's sign up with our Gmail account. You will receive verification mail to your email. After you verify, click on Continue to Artflow. Now we are going to generate brand new character for our video. You only get 100 credit free on free version, which is still okay for us to generate our character. Let's generate our new character. You have to type different prompt for yourself, which describe your character. Keep on trying a new prompt. Select the different art style. Generate different character unless you find the right one. Keep on trying different variations with different prompt. It will take time, but definitely it's worth the time. When you find the right one, we are going to use same website to make speak our character. Go to Video Studio, click on My Videos, and click on Create Your First Video. As always, it takes a few seconds to open. Select the right character that you like. You can also upload your own character if you want. You can also adjust your character. You can also select a lot of different voices for your character. For example, male, female, and the tone of the voice. Select the one you like and fit your character. You can also add effects to your video, like zoom in, zoom out, left, right. You can also add a filter to your character, as shown in the video. Preview the audio before you script your dialogue. Now script the dialogue that you want your character to speak. When you are ready with your script, type it in. Before exporting the file, make sure the microphone of the character is enabled. Now export the file, wait for a few minutes, and when your video is ready, click on the video and wait for a sec. You can see there is a watermark in the corner. Now we are going to remove the watermark with another AI. Now download the files and head over to the other website link in the description. This website helps us remove watermarks from our video, and it's completely free with no hidden cost. Drag your video, select the area of the watermark, and click on Erase. Wait a few seconds and download the video. If you want to win $2,500, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And follow me on all social media. I'm giving away $2,500 to one of you when my channel hits 100K subscribers. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. If you've enjoyed my video, it's time to take action. Show your support by hitting the subscribe button and activating the notification bell. Your loyalty means the world to me. I'll be bringing you even more valuable content, so stay tuned. But before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Leave a comment down below.